His uncle is rich. د هغه تره مالدار دی. His uncle is rich. یا تاسو ویلی شئ His uncle is rich. د هغه تره شتمن دی. His uncle is rich. شتمن یعنی مالداره. His uncle is rich. د هغه ماما شتمن دی. His uncle is rich. انکل تره ته ویلی کیږي او ماما ته ویلی کیږي. یا تاسو ویلی شئ His uncle is rich. د هغه ماما مالدار دی. His aunt is sick. د هغه ترور بیمار ده. His aunt is sick. His father loves him. د هغه پلار هغه سره مینه کوي. His father loves him. His brother studies hard. د هغه ورور ډیره مطالعه کوي. His brother studies hard. His sister is crying. د هغه خور جاړي. His sister is crying. His bag fell down. د هغه بسته وغورځېده. His bag fell down. His shoes are new. د هغه پایزار نوی دی. His shoes are new. His food smells good. د هغه د خوراک بوی ښکلی دی. His food smells good. His teacher praised him. د هغه استاذ د هغه صفت وکړو. His teacher praised him. His words touched my heart. د هغه الفاظ زما زړه ته پریوتی. His words touched my heart. He hurt himself. هغه خپل ځان خوږ کړو. He hurt himself. He introduced himself. هغه خپل ځان معرفي کړو. He introduced himself. He cleaned himself. هغه ځان صفا کړو. He cleaned himself. He dressed himself. هغه په خپل جامې واغوستې. He dressed himself. He cooked food himself. هغه په خپل پخلی وکړو. He cooked food himself. He did it himself. هغه دا په خپله وکړو. He did it himself. He taught himself پښتو. هغه ځان ته په خپله پښتو زده کړه. He taught himself پښتو. He washed himself. هغه ځان په خپله وینځو. He washed himself. He blamed himself. هغه په ځان په خپله تور ولګاو. He blamed himself. He helped himself. هغه د خپل ځان کومک وکړو. He helped himself. He prepared himself. هغه خپل ځان تیار کړو. He prepared himself. He locked himself in the room. هغه خپل ځان په خپله په کمره کې بند کړو. He locked himself in the room. He controlled himself. هغه ځان قابو کړو. He controlled himself. He hurt himself badly. هغه خپل ځان زیات زخمی کړو. He hurt himself badly. He believed in himself. هغه په خپل ځان یقین وکړو. He believed in himself. He talked to himself. هغه د ځان سره خبرې کولې. He talked to himself. He enjoyed himself. هغه لطف واغست. He enjoyed himself. He corrected himself. هغه خپل ځان سم کړو. He corrected himself. He saved himself. هغه خپل ځان بچ کړو. He saved himself. He forgot himself. هغه خپل ځان هیر کړو. He forgot himself. She is my friend. هغه زما ملګری ده. She is my friend. She is beautiful. هغه ښکلې ده. She is beautiful. She is kind. هغه مهربانه ده. She is kind. She is sleeping. هغه وده ده. She is sleeping. She is reading. هغه پڑھائی کوي. She is reading. She is cooking. هغه پخلی کوي. She is cooking. She is busy. هغه مصروفه ده. She is busy. She is smiling. هغه مسکا کوي. She is smiling. She is happy. هغه خوشاله ده. She is happy. She is sad. هغه خفه ده. She is sad. She works hard. هغه مهنت کوي. She works hard. She helps everyone. هغه د هر چا کومک کوي. کومک یعنی مدد. She helps everyone. She loves her family. هغه د خپل خاندان سره مینه کوي. She loves her family. She goes to school. هغه مکتب ته ځي. مکتب یعنی سکول. She goes to school. She sings well. هغه ښه سندره وایي. She sings well. She speaks پښتو. هغه پښتو وایي. She speaks پښتو. She dances nicely. هغه ښکلي ګډیږي. She dances nicely. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.